Oprah Winfrey is a well-known American TV personality, actor, author, and entrepreneur. She is amongst the richest and most powerful black women on the planet. She is best known for hosting the Oprah Winfrey Show. She is also the founder and CEO of Oprah Winfrey Network. Early life. Oprah Winfrey was born as Orrah Gaïl Wīnfreau in 1954 on 29th January in Mississippi, the USA to Vernītā Leye and Vernोन Wīnfreau. She also has three siblings named Ratrісіا Lоfton, Јеffreu Leye, and Ratrісіa Leye. She went to Aeszt Līterate Magnate Ẓshool and Nīsolеt High School to complete her education. Later, she completed her graduation from Tennessee State University. She moved to different states in the USA like New Jersey, California, Florida, Illinois, and Hawaii during her childhood. Personal life. She married her husband Stedman Graham in 1986. The couple does not have any children together. Oprah stands by her decision of not having kids a good thing, as I feel that she would have turned out to be a good mother. In 1968, Oprah gave birth to a baby named Cannon, who was unable to survive. She is an active supporter of the Documentaries Party and even participated in the Obama campaign from 2006 to 2008. Age, height, and weight. Being born on 29 January 1954, Oprah Winfrey is 68 years old as of today's date, 21st February 2022. Her height is 1.69 meter tall and her weight is 65 kg. Career. Oprah Winfrey started off her career in the entertainment business in 1983. She initially started looking for work as an actress. During this time, she also worked as a model for some local magazines. Her show, The Oprah Winfrey Show, first aired on television in 1986, which continued till 2011. In those years, she interviewed some of the biggest celebrities in the world, like Will Smith, Rihanna, and Jim Carrey, etc. In 2001, she founded Oprah Winfrey Network. She has produced over 2 dozen TV and movie projects since then. Awards and achievements. Oprah Winfrey has won 1 Academy Award, 21 Daytime Emmy Awards, 1 Tony Award, 3 Primetime Emmy Awards, 12 NAACP Image Awards, 1998 Jefferson Award for Public Service. Net worth and salary. As of February 2022, Oprah Winfrey has an estimated net worth of over $3 billion. In 2013, she had an estimated salary of $75 million, which has surely grown in the past 4 years. Oprah is a face for several big brands which help her make millions. Oprah Winfrey is one of the most influential black women on the planet. She is everything a woman should be and more. She is a successful, beautiful, strong, independent, loving, and powerful. She started off her career as a common woman who transformed her life by becoming one of the richest females on the planet. Oprah Winfrey is an inspiration who can motivate you to become successful with her life story.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun